Spring is here, bringing with it a sense of renewal, fresh colors, and a perfect opportunity to refresh your home decor. Whether you're looking to brighten up your rooms, set a stunning spring tablescape, or find simple ways to embrace the season, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore inspiring spring decoration ideas that will bring warmth and vibrancy to your space. Spring decor can be simple and effortless. Focus on incorporating light colors, seasonal patterns, and natural materials to bring a fresh and lively feel to your space. Small changes like introducing fresh elements, using soft textiles, and allowing more natural light can make a big difference. The key is to embrace elements that create a bright and cheerful atmosphere that reflects the season. Rearranging existing decorations to highlight gentle tones and spring-inspired details helps reinforce the seasonal theme. Placing small decorative accents in corners can create an inviting feel. Lightweight textiles and airy fabrics can be introduced subtly through various elements. Bringing in nature-inspired details can brighten up the space. Updating artwork to include seasonal motifs can reinforce the spring ambience. Soft, warm lighting can create an inviting, comfortable setting. Keeping decor simple yet well-curated ensures that the space remains light, fresh, and aligned with the season's essence. Creating a sense of openness is important when transitioning a space for the new season. Allowing fresh air and sunlight to flow freely can instantly enhance the atmosphere. Incorporating elements that reflect movement and lightness can create a sense of calm and serenity. Spaces should feel relaxed and effortless, embracing a balance of simplicity and charm. Thoughtful arrangements and subtle layering can contribute to a cohesive, harmonious look. Textures play a crucial role in setting the mood. Soft, flowing materials can bring a sense of warmth and elegance without overwhelming the space. Complementing these textures with smooth, natural surfaces can create a dynamic and refreshing contrast. A well-balanced mix of finishes can add depth while maintaining an overall airy aesthetic. Color choice is another fundamental aspect of seasonal decor. Softer tones can enhance the feeling of lightness, while delicate transitions between shades can create a seamless, polished effect. Gentle contrasts can add visual interest without disrupting the calming atmosphere. Integrating colors subtly ensures a cohesive and inviting ambience. Seasonal transitions can be enhanced through mindful adjustments in layout and composition. Shifting the focus of the space to embrace an open and refreshing aesthetic can highlight the essence of spring. Welcome spring with style. If you loved these decoration ideas, give this video a like and share it with friends. A well-decorated spring tablescape sets the tone for a fresh and inviting dining experience. Start with a light and airy foundation as a base. Layer it with soft-toned or subtly patterned pieces to reflect natural light. A centerpiece with seasonal elements will instantly enhance the spring vibe. Consider adding delicate accents to complement the overall aesthetic. For outdoor dining, natural textures and earthy elements can create a charming, nature-inspired setting. Mixing materials can elevate the overall tablescape look. Seasonal details can be used as decorative elements to add vibrancy to the setting. Incorporating layered tableware with delicate prints can make the arrangement feel more sophisticated. A seasonal centerpiece with organic elements can be an eye-catching focal point. Adding subtle decorative touches enhances the ambience. Soft lighting, such as string lights or subtle arrangements, can create a magical dining experience, especially for evening gatherings. The key to an inviting spring tablescape is to blend natural materials, soft colors, and subtle decorative elements to create a fresh, cohesive setting. Use pastel table linens to set a soft and cheerful tone. Opt for light cotton or linen table runners for a breezy touch. Introduce floral printed napkins to enhance the seasonal theme. Mix and match delicate china or glassware to create an elegant yet effortless look. Incorporate gold or brass cutlery for a touch of warmth. Layer different plate sizes to add depth and dimension to the tablescape. Add fresh flowers in small vases or bud arrangements for a delicate and refreshing centerpiece. Use decorative trays or woven placemats to introduce texture. Which spring decor idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, we'd love to hear from you. Refreshing your rooms for spring doesn't require a complete overhaul, rather, it is about embracing subtle yet impactful changes that reflect the light, airy, and vibrant essence of the season. Begin by replacing heavy, wintry textures with lighter, breathable fabrics that introduce a sense of freshness and movement into the space. Soft, pastel-inspired hues or nature-inspired shades can create an uplifting ambience that mirrors the renewal that comes with spring. Incorporating organic elements, such as fresh greenery, natural materials, or botanical-inspired patterns, can establish a harmonious connection with the outdoors while bringing warmth and vibrancy to the interior. Adjusting the layout of decorative elements and optimizing spatial arrangement can open up the area, encouraging better flow and an uncluttered, breathable environment. Introducing subtle layering techniques through different materials and textures creates depth and a sense of warmth without overwhelming the visual balance of the room. The interplay of light and reflective surfaces can enhance brightness, making the entire setting feel more inviting and lively while maximizing natural illumination. Thoughtfully curated accents with delicate patterns and fresh color palettes can reinforce a sense of seasonal transformation, offering an understated yet effective way to rejuvenate the space. The infusion of soft, ambient fragrances reminiscent of blooming gardens, fresh citrus, or calming florals can further reinforce the sensory experience of spring, evoking a feeling of tranquility and renewal. Allowing for strategic placement of accents that add a hint of shimmer or warm-toned highlights can introduce a refined contrast that complements the organic elements within the space. The balance of fluidity and structure in decorative layering ensures that the space feels simultaneously curated and effortless, fostering an environment that exudes comfort and sophistication. By making small yet intentional shifts in the overall ambience, such as rearranging accents and introducing seasonal motifs, the essence of spring can be effortlessly embraced in a way that feels both refreshing and timeless. Emphasizing openness and airiness through mindful spatial adjustments encourages an organic flow of energy, enhancing the sense of renewal and lightness associated with the season. Establishing a delicate blend of vibrancy and serenity is key to capturing the spirit of spring, ensuring that each element contributes to a cohesive yet dynamic transformation that breathes life into the environment. As the seasons shift, incorporating variations in color, temperature, and tactile contrasts can elevate the atmosphere, ensuring that the overall aesthetic remains inviting and engaging. For more seasonal decor inspiration, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Spring is the perfect time to refresh and brighten up your home. Whether through subtle accents or statement pieces, bringing the essence of spring indoors can transform your space into a welcoming retreat. Soft colors, light fabrics, and natural elements all contribute to a fresh, airy feel that embodies the season. The joy of spring decorating lies in embracing a renewed sense of energy and warmth. By incorporating simple yet impactful changes, you can create an environment that reflects the beauty and vibrancy of spring. Whether you prefer a minimalist approach or a more layered seasonal style, the possibilities are endless. Let the colors, textures, and natural elements guide your creativity as you embrace the seasonal transition. Enjoy the beauty of spring and let it inspire you to transform your home into a refreshing and inviting sanctuary. One of the easiest ways to infuse spring into your home is by updating your color palette. Pastel shades like blush pink, mint green, and baby blue evoke the gentle warmth of the season. Soft neutrals, such as beige, cream, and light gray, create a serene and airy ambience. For those who prefer a bolder approach, incorporating vibrant hues like sunny yellow or fresh coral can make a cheerful impact. Consider swapping out dark, heavy textiles for lighter alternatives to enhance the sense of openness in your space. Seasonal scents also play a significant role in setting the tone for spring. Candles, diffusers, or essential oils and fragrances like lavender, citrus, and jasmine can create a light and refreshing atmosphere. Open windows to let in the crisp spring air and embrace the uplifting energy of the season. For those who love DIY projects, consider creating handmade decor pieces that celebrate spring. Spring is also an ideal time to declutter and embrace a more minimalist approach. Organizing and tidying up your space not only creates a clean, open environment but also promotes a sense of renewal. Donate items you no longer need and refresh storage solutions to maintain a clutter-free, harmonious atmosphere. No matter your decorating style, the key to capturing the essence of spring is to create a space that feels light, fresh, and inviting. By incorporating elements that reflect the season's beauty, whether through color, texture, nature, or scent, you can transform your home into a cheerful sanctuary that celebrates new beginnings.